and welcome back to my channel. Today is a freaking rainy day. So today we're going to taste another Samyang flavor. I think this is the last one. We're going to taste the Samyang tomato pasta flavor along with my meatballs that I bought yesterday and also Kopiko Blanca. Since it's a rainy day, rainy afternoon today, so we're going to take off the heat. Going to drink today coffee. Coffee is life, coffee is love.
Okay.
And I already cooked the tomato pasta flavor of Samyang noodles along with my meatballs. Yes, so yeah, I'm going to taste this right now. So I added a little water to it for a spicy consistency. So I made it spicy. Damn, my mouth is watering right now. Another taste test of the Samyang noodles.
Wow!
I always love that stretch. I'm so happy right now. I think I'm totally in love with my fiancé all over again. Oh, sorry about that. I overshared too much.
Don't say it.
So, going to taste it now. First, we're going to taste the noodles before we proceed to the meatballs. Damn. Okay. I'm so nervous. Not really nervous, excited. Yes, I'm so excited. Wow, I love it. Just the right spice for me. Just like a spaghetti, just only spicy. A spicy spaghetti. I always love meatballs. Apologies for the noisy background. It's already raining. I love the rain, you know, especially with coffee. I'm going to this coffee too. I also brought some water just in case. Oh!
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I got a bad feeling about this.
My sister is already sleeping right now, and I can talk too much because I might be freaking noisy. So yeah, my dog is away right now. He has to go work. So let's check the plate. Damn, it's freaking good. It's still spicy again. I didn't expect this for a tomato pasta flavor. Oh. This is spicier than a cheese flavor and a carbonara flavor, but less spicy than a light flavor. Stop deceiving. I expect that. Check. Google check. Almost gone. Another automatic lipstick again. Mwah.